Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If you're new, please click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. In today's video, I'm going to be just getting it all done. I've been neglecting my room, as you can see. I had some laundry to do, I had a lot of dusting to do, and I needed to straighten up the kitchen. So that is what we're doing today.
I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home. Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind, looking out from a mountain high. I don't know what to do now, need to figure it out, but I don't know.
Does anyone else hate dusting? I feel like every time I dust, it just flies everywhere. I actually found this like e-cloth dusting mitt on TikTok, this like TikTok cleaning hack. And I think I'm gonna buy it and test it out to see if it really works. If you're interested in seeing that, I will be posting a video like that later on in the month. Testing out TikTok cleaning products.
Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home. I'm searching, yeah. We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah.
I start vacuuming right here, and then I realized that I sucked something up, so I need to get it out. And then apparently when I came back to vacuum my room, I never recorded it. So I did vacuum the room, and now I'm just moving into the hallway.
I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Damn. excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep.
Now moving into the living room area, I'm going to dust off all my picture frames, dust off our Game of Thrones canvas picture on the other side of the wall, and do around the baseboards in here as well, and tidy up the couch.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Now moving into the kitchen, we're just going to tidy up and get everything wiped down so that I can wash the floors. My son spilt some like watermelon juice on the floor, so it's all sticky. So we're just wiping everything down, putting dishes away, and then I'm going to be washing the floor.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really
Right here, we noticed that someone was in our backyard, and I started looking out the front window, like, what the heck is going on? Then we remembered we had an inspector that had to come and check out our AC unit because we had to get it replaced last month because it broke. So that's why my face looks like this. I'm listening to their conversation at the door, and then we just go right back to cleaning our kitchen.
It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger. Tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman. Sorry, I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
moving into our back room. I'm just gonna vacuum this room real quick, and then you'll see by my pose at the end that we are done with our cleaning. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please leave this emoji in the comments. And as always, please, please, please subscribe. I'm really trying to grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.